a big old chuck, isn't it? Black handle. That's easy. It's a do-it-yourself rest drill kit. That's a Stanley, that's what I bought it, yeah. Yeah, it's a Stanley. So, silver and black, and oil smell. That's nice, that, isn't it? Maybe I should do this one properly. All the Stanley's a f***ing sticker. I feel like James Bond now. Just before I take the shot at the violinist coming through that big billboard in Germany. I'll fucking load it up my shoulder. Yeah. Oh, forgot the sighting mechanism. Put that on. I mean, it's turned into a machine gun now, isn't it? Probably offend someone with the word of machine. The use of the word machine gun. This is all bad. Oh, does that need a little circlip or something like that? No, it's a button. Wow, look at that. It wouldn't go on there, would it? It would. You idiot. You idiot. Put it on the wrong side, you know. How are you going to shoot anyone with it on that side? There we are. A Stanley machine gun. Wow. Never seen one of them before. I'm going to be careful when I clean this up in case I shoot myself and all of it. So this has a black handle. I think we should start off. Maybe we restore it in stages so that you come back every video to watch me. We'll do the handle today and we'll do another bit next week. Two handles. Should we do two handles in the same? Do two handles in the same show? Right? Well, I hope this ain't going to fall apart. Any ball bearings or anything roll out, because then I'll just throw the thing away. Right. Oh. It is a good job I opened it up. And there's a lot of dried orange stuff and no grease whatsoever. Oh, more work. Screws. Don't forget, wear eye protection, people. That's my one serious note. Wear eye protection at all times when using wire brushes. Don't bother diluting it, I'll just use the old degreaser neat. Oh dear, orange shit, look. Now, fuck. these are not getting undercoat, these are going straight black, which is what happened originally. So there we are. That one can have a, that one got a hole in. It hasn't got a hole all the way through it, has it? Alright, let's go like that. Alright. So we'll take it over there, shall we? Okay, so wait about an hour and you can paint right over it. No more rust, nice base. I do, won't it? Do a little bit there, but I know that. Not fast.